Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to copy a post link on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the latest updates, the process has become even smoother. So let's get started. First things first. Open your X account. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Just navigate to your home feed, or wherever you want to start your search. Next, it's time to find the video you want to share. This could be anything from a funny clip to an insightful piece of content. Scroll through your feed or use the search bar to locate the tweet that catches your interest. Once you've found the post, you're one step closer to copying that link. Now, look for the share icon underneath the tweet. This icon usually resembles an arrow pointing upwards or a small box with an arrow. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with several sharing options, making it super convenient to spread the word about what you found. Finally, select Copy Link to Tweet. Once you click that, the link will be copied to your computer's clipboard. It's as simple as that. Now you can paste the link anywhere you'd like, whether it's in a message, an email, or another social media platform. And there you have it. Copying a post link on X is straightforward and quick. Just remember to log into your account, find the post you want, click on the share icon, and select Copy Link to Tweet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media. We'll see you in the next video.